Hi everyone, this is going to be a quick tutorial on what to do when the audio doesn't sync to what you see in the waveform. I'm after the repair, so everything works fine. To rebuild this waveform, just deleting it from the folder doesn't really help. You need to go through this process. First, close the project. I'll tell you why. If you don't close the project and you try to delete your cache, because you need to delete your cache, you try to delete your cache, oh, just a second, wrong button, it will be hidden, delete all media cache. So that would be a problem. So I'm going to close the project. This should pop up. All right, close this one. Then go to Properties, Cache, and again delete, and delete all media cache and file system. And when you click OK, you will need to probably close Premiere because it will still won't work. You need to close Premiere and reopen it, and everything will be back to normal.